10 at 10 continues with no wait weather.
What a way to close out the work week. Just
No
nice
kidding.
weather out there.
Tomorrow's going to be fantastic.
It is, but we're going to have a tough call because there's a cold front coming down. The timing means some of us will have a cool day and some of us will enjoy near record highs. Let's get right to it. First and foremost, a gorgeous, beautiful sunset. Look at all the colors, just a few streaming contrails overhead and some high clouds. Other than that, it was a treat of an evening. Take a look at high temperatures across the region today. 30s northwest Minnesota as we melted snow there. Warmer than it's been in a few days. And, well, there's a lot of snow to melt in those areas. Record highs, Minot, Williston, Dickinson. Look at Bismarck in the 60s today. And some of that warmth is going to sneak its way across the region. But look at this cold blob of air slowly heading down. You got it. By late tomorrow night, that will be heading into the valley and cooling things off and bringing a chance of snow. But right now, 39 degrees at Hector, southwest winds at 10 miles per hour, with 37 in Moorhead. 34s in Lakes Country and Bemidji, a degree better. Roseau at 34. That's very mild with a temperature of 36 in Langdon. That also quite mild. So uniform temperatures holding on to 40 degrees, though, out in Sisseton. Visible satellite today is nice to look at because we can see where there's fields of snow. Lakes Country, Becker and Otter Tail counties, all the way north towards Lake of the Woods, and then out towards the Cavalier and Pembina County areas and the Devil's Lake Basin. All of these areas saw cooler temperatures today as the sun energy goes to melting the snow. Some of it actually reflects right back out to space, but we did warm up. It will be another mild day, but we have a hitch in the giddy-up in the forecast. But first, here's the track of the clouds as they work their way over North America. A big bubble right here, then the jet stream's path way up into Canada, allowing that warm air to make its way through the valley and beyond. Hour-by-hour forecast shows that as we go through the overnight, not much changes. South winds and temperatures will stay in the 30s for almost everybody. And then as we get our day started, by midday, notice the increase of clouds up in our northern counties. No clouds down here. So early afternoon, when we're at peak heating, we're going to see some very nice warm temperatures here in the southeastern portion of North Dakota. Lakes Country, we're melting snow in Otter Tail County, but up north, we're going to see a transition taking place. I think Grand Forks, because of south winds continue, will have a chance at challenging that 51-degree record. Likewise, a 57-degree record in Fargo tomorrow could be challenged. But it won't take long in the afternoon before the cool air starts diving in. Look at the arrow. The north winds take hold, the clouds move in, and everything changes. So enjoy your Saturday, especially the early half of the day into the early afternoon. After that, things will change. Watch what happens overnight. Snow up north of I-94 and along I-94, we could see some mixed precipitation, some sleet, rain to the south. But as we go through the day with north winds pulling cooler airs down, we're going to see that transition to some light snow quickly exiting. And most of us, by 10 in the morning on Sunday, will be done with the snow. But the cold air will continue to work its way into the valley, and that means a cooler Sunday with up to an inch, maybe 2 inches in spots of central Minnesota and along the international border. Elsewhere, just a trace of snow, including Fargo-Moorhead. So that's the way it looks now. 32 to start your Saturday morning. A midday temperature rising toward 50 degrees. We're peaking at 58. And that should set a record. We'll see how that happens tomorrow. 55 Jamestown, near 60 possible south and west. A lot of 30s and low 40s up north. I think 43 to 50, actually 51 in the Grand Forks area. Should be close to a record there. Beautiful halo. The 7-day planner shows that Sunday brings a different story. There's that morning chance of flaky weather or mixed precipitation. Temperatures falling from the mid-30s. And then look at this. Next week we'll see some single-digit lows, especially on Tuesday, with highs returning late in the week.
So keep that jacket, that winter coat, handy.
Yeah, we're going to shovel a lot of sunshine tomorrow, but after that, we may have to practice on snow.
All right, thank you.
A federal lawsuit has been filed against Walmart over Parmesan cheese. Later on Valley News Live 10 at 10, what has the complainant 100% sure they're right?